Dream bigger. Love it. Thank you so much, Ink Force One, for your order. We appreciate you. Beautiful transfers.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And today we're just showing you guys some things that you can do with our transfers. So if you got any projects or anything that you need filled, use our transfers to do it. So let's go ahead and show you guys an example of somebody actually doing that. So right now we have, who's this person again, babe? Jose.
This is Ink Force One. That's their brand, right?
Okay, Ink Force One is his brand. And as you can see on this gang sheet, he's obviously doing, she says you think?
I think, because I'm like, well, I think this is his brand, but what if he's doing this for someone else? Because if you see, he has a gang sheet of other companies,
Of other companies, right? So, which is really awesome to see whenever we get stuff like this. We kind of want it, because like Chelly had mentioned, we kind of strayed away from doing videos showing you guys transfers. So we're gonna get back into that. With that being said, this right here is somebody who's using our transfers to make merch for other people and get jobs and then fill those jobs with our transfers. So if this M&R Roofing Company gets their shirt, they're gonna be extremely surprised. And for people who are in cleaning, so this New Day Cleaning and if New Day Cleaning is in Houston, hit us up because we're looking for cleaning people. But with that being said, if you notice, so we have New Day Cleaning and M&R Roofing. These people are gonna be, one, working outside. So if you're a roofer, that's extremely hard. So these shirts are probably gonna be going on people who are gonna be working in extreme elements in the heat and stuff like that. And they're getting an amazing product with this DTF transfer because it's not gonna crack, it's not gonna fade, it's not gonna peel. So they're gonna be outside and they're gonna notice that the shirt is gonna break down. The shirt from the heat and everything and the sweat and the washing, the shirt's gonna break down, but not the transfer. And the same thing with the New Day Cleaning people, they're gonna notice like, wow, I've gotten my shirts made from so many other people, but for some reason it's not cracking, fading, or peeling. That's because of the DTF process. So as you can see, they've got front tags, a back logo, a front chest logo, and neck tags, all on their gang sheet. So this one is one sheet. So it looks like that they did front chest tags, phone numbers, and neck tags, and then filled in some other stuff here. Now we have a second gang sheet. They were able to get this company's stuff on here, and then they have another gang sheet and some more and get this company. As you notice, they utilize this gang sheet right here to handle all of their order. And then they might have squeezed in some of their stuff, but this right here handles all of their customers' order and probably more. But that's what this right here is, something that whenever we say flip our sheets or use our sheets to get contracts, they now are basically letting people know, hey, listen, we can make high quality shirts using heat transfers. We can do any color you want. And the company comes to them and says, hey, here's my money, please, make a great product. And that's exactly what they are doing. And this is just really amazing. This right here is why we created a Flash Custom Transfers. And because of this right here, we used to do this and we realized like, hey, I wonder how many other people are kind of in the business of doing this and want to expand it. And now you can, because if you were to go to any other company, your gang sheet is only going to be about this big. You're not going to be able to fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these got to be like 9 or 10 wide. And then like from here to here, what is that? So these are, to the top of the sun, all the way down. So that's 7.5, give or take, high, and all the way to the end, and 11 wide. And you're able to fit 6 on there. That's crazy. That's a big image, and you're able to fit 6 on there just on one sheet for $19.99. And they probably got, this looks like a buy 5, get 1 free pack. So they got 6 sheets. So they paid for 5 and got 6 sheets, and they got free shipping. Because right now, if your order's over $100, if your order's over $99, you get free shipping. So I don't know how many shirts, because this right here, this is a lot, because these are going on the front. So even if this company comes back, even if they fill their order with this buy 5, get 1 free pack, is it a buy 5, get 1 free pack, babe? Yeah, so even if they fill this order with the buy 5, get 1 free pack, they're still gonna have so many other chest logos left over that their next order, whenever that company comes back to them, they only need to purchase more back logos. They don't need to purchase more front chest logos because they've already got it locked in. Also, this guy, don't forget, listen, tell these people they can also get stickers, decals for their cars and stuff like that. So let them know that we also have stickers. So sell the stickers to the M&R Roofing Company, sell the stickers to the New Day Cleaning Company. Sell it to them and let them know, like, hey, listen, if you guys want the same high quality same high quality images that you have for your logos on your shirts, if you want it on your car, if you want it in your house or in your refrigerator, if you want to stick it anywhere, or if you want to just pass them out, we have those. So don't forget to sell those to that person as well. Offer this product to your customer. Don't forget, we got stickers, we got DTF, and we got sublimation. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully I didn't get anybody's information in, but shout out to them. This right here is a perfect example of taking a transfer, getting a contract, and filling that order, and then having left over so that you can always continue to create that company's merch on demand. And once they get a shirt made with this transfer, they're not gonna go anywhere else. Because I can guarantee you, this roofing company was going to a screen printing company, because there's only a few colors, and they would have had to order a minimum. They would have had to order a minimum at a screen print company. With you, whoever's doing this buy 5, get 1 free, whoever got this contract, this person is able to sell just the t-shirt and not have to charge their customer a minimum. They're like, hey, if you want 10 shirts, sure, I can do 10 shirts. Hey, if you want 15 shirts, sure, I can do 15 shirts. Hey, if you just hired a new guy and you need a shirt real quick, boom, you're able to do shirts on demand with our transfers. And that's probably what this person is taking advantage of. And look, like I said, 7 by 11 images for $19.99. That's insane, because like that, and that's just the back. So even with the front logo, we used to do one logo was $20 and any additional logo was $5. So if they're selling this at $25 a pop, they've gotten, in one shirt, they've got their money back, right? And they were able to fit 6. So even if they're doing at 20, okay, one shirt pays for the sheet, they still got 5 left. Plus, you know what I mean? Plus over here, so. And the neck tag. So if they've got a neck tag, front left chest, a phone number, and a big logo on the back, that's really a $30, $35 shirt. So they're really killing it. And again, like I said, they got 5 sheets and they got 1 free and free shipping. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Just like I said, I just wanted to keep it real short, right around 8 minutes, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Take advantage of our transfers. They're $19.99 for just one. There is no minimum. If you just want to just try it out, if you want to just create some logos and just try it out for yourself, and you want to test it on some shirts that you bought from Walmart for $5 and you just want to press it or something like that, buy a good heat press. Remember, a lot of pressure, cold peel. Go ahead. There's no minimum, right, guys? Take advantage of that price. Take advantage of it. And then if you kind of know what you're doing, like this guy right here, he knows what he's doing. He's already out there getting contracts and letting people know that he's a high quality print shop and he can do anything, full color, anything. Because a lot of people don't even know that that's out there. A lot of people see screen print and they're thinking full color, but it's not really the same. And it's not a screen print transfer. So this isn't gonna crack. He's gonna be able to pull on it and do all types of stuff. Whoever's wearing this DTF transfer is gonna be able to really damage it up. And like I said, the garment around the transfer will fade, crack, peel, whatever, but the actual transfer will not. So take advantage of that, guys. $99 or above, free shipping. Get our buy 5, get 1 free, or buy 10, get 2 free. Take advantage of all of our sales, all of our promos that we have, guys. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. If you have any questions, email us. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. But if you already know how to purchase, flashcustomtransfers.com, guys. Go ahead, take advantage of that. You know my slogan. I'm pretty sure Chelly's hungry. I know I'm hungry, even though I had a little rice and chicken. All right, guys, we got a lot going on. Be basic. Peace.